So yes, we're live. So welcome back, guys. So today we are going to analyze the Olympic dataset. It's a quite large dataset. You can see it's a very large dataset. So you can see the name, age, the sex, the height, weight, the team. So basically, the team is the country list. So like team China, team USA. So it's also you can say it's a country name also. So today we are going to analyze this dataset on Power BI. So Power BI basically it's an amazing tool to analyze and to visualize the data. You can get it on Windows Store. So if you simply type Windows Store, Microsoft Store, you can search Power BI here. So basically, it's only available for Windows because it's made by Microsoft. You can't access it on Mac. So you can search Power BI, Power BI desktop. So you have to just install this. Install this. I have already installed, so I will open it up. It's an amazing tool to have. It's quite similar to Tableau, but it it like outperform Tableau in many of the cases. So how to load my data set? You get the tabs here, import from Excel, import from SQL, paste data, or so we'll import from Excel. So it will be in all files, athletic events, we will open it up. So as I said, it's quite large data set, so it will take time. I have uploaded it once or twice, so it uploaded really quickly. But if you are uploading it to for the first time, it will take time. So we will load it. We'll cancel this. Okay, it's creating connection. It's a heavy software, so it's actually there are two versions of it. One of it it's paid, and one it's the free version. So we are using the Power BI desktop, so we can create it and learn from this. So as I said, so here is the data set. So yeah, here is the data set, and here is our dashboard. So first, I think we will select this one, the card tool. Here, the card tool and the slicer tool. Yeah, the slicer tool. So first of all, we will select the year or the country. So we will put it and we will use slicer. So we will format it later, and we will again select the slicer tool, and then we will select the year. Here we selected the year, so we will select the team. You have to drag and drop, or you just put a tick mark here. So for this we will choose the, so this we have to edit as it will create a long list. So we'll just go ahead in here, slicer settings, we will select it the horizontal, okay, or we will select the show as a table. So you can see many of the countries here as there is many clone data also here, so you can clean it out. So yeah, so we will put it here, the team, team, we can put it here. So now we will uh, count the number of medals. So for this we will create a card. Okay, so we will delete this. We'll create a card and we will drag and drop the medals. So yeah, we will select the count function. So don't select this count distinct, only select the count function. So we will add the medal filter on this page. So it will filter based on the page. So we'll select the bronze, gold, and silver. So now we will select the medals. We will put it on here. We will select the bronze, or we will select the gold. So okay, we will just copy it, and again we will just paste it, and we will select medal is silver. So again we will paste it, and we will select the medal is silver. So there is written the count of medals, so we will remove it. We'll go to general, we will put the title on and the header icons off, and we will write it the gold. We'll make it in the center, and we'll make it bold, and we'll try to increase the size of it. Okay, so this is good. And now we will okay, as it is the uh, gold medal, so we can put on the effect. We will select the color, so more color. So for the golden, actually you can see it from here. The golden is hashtag F2C80F, so it is hashtag F2C80F. I guess it's not reading it. F2C80F, F2C80F. So I took the gold one. So now here also we will the title on. We will select the as silver. We can, so we have to make it big and in the middle. So we will make it large and also bold. Yeah, silver. So silver is, so we can change the color and the whole background color also, effects, and silver. Okay, now the bronze. So in general we'll have to title on, we'll select it as 54 and bold, and we'll write it as bronze. We'll make it in the center, and we'll try to select the bronze color. So I guess the bronze color mostly like this one or this one, B73A3A. It will be hashtag B73A3A. So yeah, you can select it. So our medal tally is done. Now we have to select the top 5 countries with the medals. So we will use not this one. So we will use tree map. So just select, and make it large. So and then we will insert the team as category, and we will add the medals as value. We'll select the count. Okay, it's already selected. So we will put on the medals here. So yeah, we will select the team and we'll select the basic filtering, then the top five. So we have to select the top five. We'll select the top five here and we will first put the medal by value here. And we will select the count of medal and we will apply. So you can see the United States have won the 5,219, the Soviet Union, then Germany, then Great Britain, and then France. So we will minimize it. So you can also use different colors here. So like see, Power BI is basically how well you can imagine and put your thoughts here. So if you could make good Power BI dashboard with lots of vibrant color, lots of good background or any else. If you have a great thinking, you can build a great Power BI dashboard. So we will select the effects. So for the lowest value, we will select the blue one, and the highest value we will select the blue color. We can select the red one. We'll put on OK, and yeah, that's it. So if you want to differentiate, you can use purple here, you can use this brown here, you can use pink here. So yeah, this is also one. So now we will create a country-wise medal count. So it will be a bar graph. So we'll select this one, a stacked column chart, and we'll select stacked column chart. We'll maximize it. In the x-axis, we can put the T, and in the y-axis, we can put the metals. So as you can see, the United States have won the highest medal tally. So we will drag it down here. So then we will have to fix it. So we can go to the properties and effects, select the background as okay, as you can select the orange one. It will put all the one. We'll select it and okay. Country. So we have to first fix the title. So we will select the country wise medal count and we'll put it in the center, and well, you can put a background also. Will put light background and more light. This is looking good. And put the gray background. This is good. So I will put here symbol. I will make this one. This one. This one. Yeah. So as you can see, it's working. If you select the United States, so there's gold, this one, silver and bronze. If you select Japan, it's this. And if you select Poland, then this is the middle count. So moving ahead, we have to zoom moving ahead, we will create a matrix. So this matrix will be of the sports wise medal count. So in the rows we can put the sports, and in the columns we can put the medals, and in the value we can put the IDs. So you can see this one. In archery, there is 3 bronze, 1 silver, that is total 4. It's for the Poland. If you select USA, then alpine skating, this one, and total. So we'll make it more vibrant. So in visual, you can select the bold headers. So yeah, this will make it slightly. Yes, yeah, this will work. So this will work. Now we will create again a matrix. So it will be of player-wise medal count. Okay, this one will be good. So for the player-wise medal count, you can see we will select the player name in rows and the medal in the column. So we have to make a little bit of adjustment. So we'll remove it for the timing. We'll select it and move it here. We'll select this one and move it here. We can do it. So we can move it. We can move it here, but spaces will become. So we will figure it out later how to fix this. So now we will create a matrix. It will require a larger size. So in this we will select the name in the rows, and the medals in the column, and the IDs in the uh, values. So as you can see in this, but there is one demerit of this. As you can see, there is one bronze and this, but in the data set there are many NA values. So it will create NA value, or it will create a space where there is an NA value present. So for this we will have to create the new columns. So for creating the new columns, you have to go to the tables. You have to click on the new column. It will take time and it will load. So for the gold medal, you have to make the column as gold is equal to, if we will put on a bracket and the so and write the athletic, the it's not showing. So we'll select if athletic event is where we'll select the medals. Like the medal is equal to, we'll select the gold and then 0 and will close down the bracket and will create a bracket. Okay, it shows error. So why it has shown error? We syntax one middle is incorrect. Okay. So we'll see. Paste it here. So we'll select the gold is equal to if athletic events medals is equal to gold, comma 1, comma 0. Close it down, we will copy this whole, we will select. So yeah, finally it is created. So again we will select a new column and we'll paste it down here. We'll make it for silver, silver, we'll also for silver, and again we'll create the column. Then for the bronze, we'll have to again create a column. So we'll just paste it down here and we'll select the bronze. And again here also we'll select the bronze. So our column is been made. And then we'll go to our dashboard and we will remove the medals from here, remove the ID from here. So we'll add the values. This one, gold, silver, and and the bronze. So you can see there is no total section. So again we will have to add up a new column. We will say it as total. Total is equal to. We will select if or you can just select the athletic clothes plus athletic gold plus athletic silver. Okay, we'll click on this one and it will create a new column and we will just drag this column down here. So we have the total one and for the style we will select to the bold header. You can also select the alternating rows, which one you like or which one you actually suits your data set. So we have created, so we'll make this one as we'll make this one a little small. We'll make this as also a little bit small. We have to fit this one. Okay. Okay. So so we can put this one here also and can reduce this one's size. So make this one large. So and in the starting we have made a slicer. So for this we will select the slicer. We will include the sex here and we will make it a little bit small like this and we'll make it slicer settings vertical. We'll select it as horizontal. So in general we'll put the title as the sex ratio. You can put it. You can put the center. You can make it bold, and you can add the value as 35. This will be fine. Put on the header icons, and then you can also put on the effects, visual border. You can also like shorten the border or something. So we will make it down here. We'll also make it down here. And okay, so what else do we can include? We can include we can include the we can include the average weight, but it will be of no use. So yeah, we can include the summer or winter Olympics. So we'll again select the slicer, and we'll select the event season one. So we'll select the season, that is summer or winter. So select on the visual and make it horizontal, make it vertical, and get a little bit small and put it down here. And you can also change the background. So I guess this background is nice. So for the gel, and we will put on title as season. We make it slightly better, 20, and make it bold, and it, we will put on the header icon off. We will also put on the slicer header. Here also we will put on the slicer header. Here we have to make the slicer header off, and yes, put, and in general we will put on the title as here. Increase size by 20. Begin in center, make it bold. So you're looking at an Olympic data set, and what else we can include? We can include events, we have included a medal, we have included the year. So you can also put average age. So okay, there was space. So we'll make this one slightly smaller. Put it here. Yes, we have selected a new country. Slightly big. So we haven't edited this one. Category label will be on, and data label also will be on. Legend will be also on. And for the title, we haven't made it to the center and readjusted its size. So we'll select 20. We will now insert card. So this card will be of average age, and it will be of age. We'll make it input measure, and we'll select average. Okay, average per category. Base value will be uh, yes, so we can leave it. We'll remove it. So once again, we can include. So yeah, this is it, I guess. This is it, I guess. So we'll put this here. Large. Okay. So if we had to put one more value, so we can we can put the we can see it from here. So we can put I think we have used it, so I'm not finding anything to put. So now if you want to put something here, so we'll search for Olympics and select from image and yeah. So we'll download it. Just paste it on desktop and we will insert. So we can insert image from desktop. We have saved it. We will again save it. So we can save it. Save image as desktop. We can insert the image from the desktop. Why just pixeling? I don't know. It's but it's not showing here. I think it doesn't support the PNG file format. Okay, still we'll search it. Our desktop, it's not here. So it is in the thumbnail folder. So this will add an image and we will uh, so this is not looking good. So this was it. Thank you guys for giving your time and this you can also modify it. You can make it as better as you want. You can also insert background. You can you can also modify this edges. You can make it shaped and many more things. So basically, Power BI works with your creativity. It shows how creative you are and how you can make it a lot better from mine. So, so thank you guys. I will really appreciate if you spare a time and like and subscribe to my video. It really motivates me to make new content. Yeah, thank you guys.